The next question in this Python HackerRank series is set.add. Here in this question they have introduced us to a function add, which we will be using with the sets. So we'll take a look at sample input. Here at first they have taken input of n, which is the total number of country stamps, and here they have given the names of the countries of which stamp they have. So here as you can see, the France has been repeated twice, but when we are using sets, as they have shown it over here, the HackerRank, they have passed HackerRank in set, and as you can see they have only collected the distinct elements. They have collected only single letters. They have collected only single letters. As you can see here in this word, K occurs twice, but here in this set the K is only once. So when we are using sets, it doesn't stores duplicate value or a duplicate element. So here in this question we are using sets so that we can count this France at only one point, at only one place. So we'll move ahead. So at first what we have to do, we have to take the input of this n. So for that we'll require a variable n, and we'll convert it into int input. And down over here what we'll do, we'll initialize set. So the name will take it as set1, and we'll initialize it at first. And now we'll require a for loop for I in range, and the range here in this case will be n, because we want to take the input of these 7 countries. So the range will be n, that is 7 in this example. And down we are going to add that elements in the set. So first we'll write the set name dot add, and inside that we'll take the input. Okay, so what it will do, it will take the input. For example, at first it will take UK, and it will add that UK into the set. And when there will be France, first France, it will add it, and the second France it will not add it in set1. And we just have to print the numbers of we just have to print the total number of distinct country stamps on a single line. So we have to print a distinct country's number. So we'll print the length of that set1. So it will return us the output phi, that is the number of distinct country stamps here in this set1. So we'll run the code and we'll check the output. Yes, it is working, and also now we'll check it for rest of the test cases. Yes, it is working for rest of the test cases also. The solution for all other questions including this series are available on my channel. And also if you have any query, let me know it in comment section given below. And thank you guys for watching this video.